Hello, and welcome to Who Wants to Be Sustainable? I'm your host, Mike, and today we'll be quizzing 3 members of the GoodLife Sustainability Analysis team to find out how they can best implement a sustainability dimension into the company's operations. Before we begin, I'll run through the ground rules. There are 4 categories. Each represents a potential area of improvement for environmental sustainability and contains several questions. The categories are raw materials, energy, water, and waste. I will ask the contestants a question and they'll attempt to answer. Okay, the studio audience is ready and I hope you are too. Let's begin. We'll begin with raw materials for 100. How can you best limit raw material use in GoodLife's daily operations without affecting service? Okay, Tess.
Use less machine. That way, less material.
Sorry, Tess, that's incorrect. Ali, you were the next to buzz in.
So, GoodLife can reduce raw materials by implementing some sort of electronic system, maybe, using iPads or tablets or something like that allows people to go online and look at their gym membership online and make changes and that kind of thing. Maybe go upstream, work with suppliers, make sure that they're manufacturing equipment in a sustainable way,
Yeah, that's correct. What category would you like to select next?
Energy for 100, please.
Okay, energy for 100. That was a great answer. Let's see what's behind Energy 100. Energy used by members is something that is directly tied to their enjoyment at the club. How can you reduce energy consumption given that much of this consumption is at their discretion? Contestants? Oh, Tess, quickest to buzz in there again.
Don't let them use hot water. That will mean fewer showers and less energy used. And after all, somebody told me that cold showers are better for workout.
Sorry, Tess, that's incorrect again. Ali, second again to buzz in.
Well, there's a number of things that they could probably consider. Timers on showers, that's obviously less hot water that they use. Motion sensors on their saunas, so, they're not in use when people aren't there. Towel service. They need to constantly run a washer and dryer, so, why don't you outsource this and find somebody that can do it in a more sustainable way? Free up GoodLife associates, they can focus more on their core duties, maybe even make the towels smaller, microfiber, something that won't use as much water.
Great answers, Ali. That's correct. Which category would you like to select next?
Energy for 200, please.
Wow, great answer. You're on a roll. Energy for 200? Let's see what the question is. There is a significant capital investment in existing clubs. What is the reality of ensuring energy-efficient equipment for utilities exists in these clubs? Tess, quick on the draw tonight. Let's hear your answer for this one.
Have them pay higher fees. Isn't the economy on the rebound anyways?
Don't know if that would be a popular option. That's unfortunately incorrect. Jeff, you were the next to buzz in there.
Thank you. Well, GoodLife has grown over the last number of years through much of mergers and acquisitions, such as purchasing New Bodies or Energy Cardio in Quebec. These are companies that are much smaller and may not have had the infrastructure in place for efficient heating, cooling, and even lighting systems. But these buildings have leases on them which will eventually expire, and GoodLife could look to renew at other locations where the systems are more readily available, on top of installing them at their new clubs.
Yes, that would make sense, Jeff. That's a great answer. What category would you like to select?
Let's do Energy 300.
Wow, popular category. Let's see what's behind it. Okay, Energy for 300. All of those exercise machines running at once in a club, it can really run up an energy bill. How could they reduce this energy use? Okay, Tess, you're first to buzz in.
Put a time limit on the amount of people can use the machine. That way they wouldn't have to be on it as long. Or can create energy from the equipment itself. Members are always using the stationary bikes. They could probably power the entire building.
Well, forward thinking, but unfortunately that's not the correct answer right now. Ali, let's see what you had to say.
Well, GoodLife can go upstream, talk to their suppliers and say, hey, we want sustainable equipment that's going to last us a long time.
Well, okay, that's a great answer. What category would you like to select next?
Water for 200, please.
Well, that's it for the energy category. So, water 200. How can GoodLife make sure that the changes to water and energy consumption that they implement are accepted and perpetuated going into the future? Okay, Tess, quick hand tonight.
I think my performance management professor once told me to offer cash as incentives.
That's a good try, but unfortunately it's incorrect. Jeff, you were next to buzz in.
Thanks, Mike. Well, as you know, GoodLife is a top sales organization that uses leading systems to compensate their employees already. If anyone can come up and implement a new compensation system, it would be them. They can evaluate their club management on profitability. Part of this could be the cost of heat, lights, and air conditioning.
Yes, that's a great answer, Jeff. What category would you like to see next?
Mike, let's go water for 100, please.
Water 100. That's an interesting choice. Well, we'll see what it says. GoodLife offers showers to members, which requires a high amount of water input. How can they maintain this service and reduce water usage? Tess, yet again, fastest finger.
Remember my cold shower idea, Mike? I still think it could work.
Running back the answer. Unfortunately, that's incorrect. Ali, let's hear what you got.
Well, they can implement low-flow shower heads, aerators in their sinks, low-flush toilets, that kind of thing, you know? Keep the customers happy, they still get hot showers.
Yeah, that's a great answer. Okay, what category would you like to see next?
I'd like to do waste for 100, please.
Well, we're almost through the water category. You've selected waste for 100? All right. Sanitation paper towels are provided to clean off equipment after use. While the equipment gets clean, all of these wipes end up in the trash. How can GoodLife reduce its waste? Wow, Tess, you got it again. Let's hear what your answer is.
Well, members could just wipe equipment off with their gym towel. I've done it in the past. Nobody was looking.
Unfortunately, that's incorrect again. Ali, let's hear what you got.
To encourage cleanliness and adhere to health requirements, small sanitization stations can be put up. So they can use microfiber towels and sanitation bottles and spray down their equipment and wipe it off. The microfiber towels are good for the water aspect too.
That's a great answer, Ali. Oh, well, folks, that buzzer unfortunately means that we're out of time. Thanks today for our contestants, the GoodLife Sustainability team. I mean, that was a lot of fun. The winner is Ali. Congratulations on your ideas for creating a sustainability dimension in GoodLife. Until next time, stay safe and stay sustainable.